guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by the queen of everything, Miss Rihanna. I don't know if you guys saw or heard, but Rihanna will be performing at the Super Bowl. Guys, like, we've been waiting for this for I've been waiting for this forever. But seeing that announcement just got me inspired. Well, I've always been inspired by her looks and her fashion. So I thought, let's do a makeup tutorial inspired by the queen herself. Guys, before we get into the tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm just gonna put a bit of foundation. I try not to use too much foundation because it's so hot right now, and the last thing you need is cakey and too much makeup. Like, I just can't deal. I'm just gonna put mainly where I have like marks. I have a lot of acne spots, so I just try and hide where the spots are. What I like about this look is that you literally just need I lost my train of thought. You literally just need like two eyeshadows because it's all like a purple look. Where am I looking there? I'm gonna try, I always try make my brows not too bold every time I fill them in, but then it just doesn't work. Then it ends up being very thick and bold. So yeah, I've just learned to just deal with it. Like, if it happens perfectly how I want it to be, then great. If it doesn't, oh well, she tried. Guys, and I want to do microblade again. The lady that did the microblade that I have, I regret going to her. Like, she's good and all, but she just wasn't good for my brows. I don't know what happened, because it just now looks that it looks like I cut my brows in a way that only like the first part of my eyebrows have hair, and then this end part is like there's no hair and the hair is not growing. So I don't know, I feel like she probably just, I don't know what happened, probably just cut, like she probably just cut the end part of my eyebrows and left it at that. But I'll never go to it, and now I have to find someone that really knows how to do it, because this one everyone was going crazy about her, so that's why I decided, okay, let me also try go to her. But I regret it. And mind you, it was the second time I was going to her, and normally how with microblading, aren't you supposed to, like, well, isn't it supposed to last like long, like 2 to 3 years when you go the the second time? With mine, guys, it started fading within the first, I would say within the first few months. My eyebrows was just like, so then next what I'm gonna do is my eyes. For eyes, I'm gonna be using my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm not gonna show you guys the palette because it looks a mess. It's a hot mess. I need to look at the purple makeup again. Hold on, just to see how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go in on the outer corner of my eyes with the dark purple, and what I like is that it's just literally the outer corner of your eyes dark, and then the inner corner of your eyes a light shimmer purple. Hope this purple works. I'm gonna just dab it with like a darker purple. Then I'm just gonna blend it here. Yeah, this one is perfect. It is perfect. And then make sure to just blend. What I also like to do is just from the concealer on my eyebrows, I just like to blend it with my fingers, the concealer down to the shadow. It kind of just softens the shadow up and makes it more smooth. Just happy. This is a nice purple. Then for the inner corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use a pinkish, it's like, what is this color? It's called Twilight, and it's still from the Desert Dust palette. The other purple that I use is from the it's by Makeup Revolution, and it's the where is the name? I know it's unicorn and something. Wait, why am I? It was literally in bold, guys. Mermaids and unicorns. That's what I use for the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna drag it like so. Lately, I don't know if there's been robberies left, right, and center, or something's happening, but there's been helicopters flying all over my area for the past few weeks. I just don't know. I think that's fine. And that's it, guys. I'm literally done with my eyes because it's 2 shadows. And what I'm gonna do quickly, because I see in her look, the purple, she has it under her lower lash line, so I'm just gonna put that there. And the best trick that I learned is just closing your eyes and just letting it be, you know, just better than putting that put some glue on the lashes. And what I like to do, another trick also that I learned, is just putting some eyelash glue on your, where you would put your cat eye, because this just helps adhere the lash and make it last for long. I try to put it as close as possible to my lashes, and then if there's any mess up, then you can just fill it up with the shadow. Like for example, over here I put too much, so what I can do is just, once I've put my lashes on, I can just cover it up with the shadow, and it works. So while that's all drying the lashes and my eyes, I'm gonna do concealer. I'm not gonna contour too much. I just want to make sure that it's just enough. Then I'm just gonna be using my, I like this one, it's Gosh Mix and Fix color drops. I just like it because even though it's meant to darken your foundation, I just like that it's still, it's a nice shade for contouring, so I'm gonna use that. I just like this shade. I think it just suits my skin tone way better. I've yet to find a shade that just matches my skin tone very nicely. And then I'm just blending it into my hairline, just so we have like one shade all in all and it doesn't look weird. I blend the concealer up. Just like to blend the line so it's not like a sharp line with my fingers. I think my lashes are done drying. Let me quickly put my lashes and I'll continue on the other side. What I like to do is like kind of swipe it up just to lift my face up. We are done with the face. I'm just blending the line a bit more because I don't want the line to be too sharp to show that, okay girl, like you went too crazy with the contouring. Then for powder, I'm just going to be using Yardley and it's in the color Caramelize. And I even like going over on my brows, but just lightly, just to soften the shade up a bit. Okay, now let's move on to blush. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Plum Blush. And in her look, it's all shimmer, but I'm just going to use this as a nice like base to put the shimmer over. And it just goes all down. I like that she even has some on her forehead. Like that. I'm going to take my purple shade. That's fine, right? I feel like the purple makes my this purple, I'm not too crazy about it. I feel like it's making my skin look a bit weird. Like, I'm just gonna blend it out a bit. It's making my skin look like burnt. I don't like it. Okay, just blending it up a bit. I think, okay, this is better. We can live with this. Light, I'm just going in with my LA Girl Sunlight Sensation, and I'm literally just gonna get on my nose. Okay, I think that's fine. Then just setting spray. I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Magic Setting Spray. Okay, for lips, I'm going to be using my Inglot 282, and I'm also going to be using my LA Girl Flat Velvet Lipstick just to mix the two to get that shade. Then let's start with Inglot. I actually think I need a darker purple. Hold on. So I'm actually going to use Inglot, and I do have this shade. I'm going to use Revlon 19 Moonlight. I think this would be nice to just put on top because it's kind of like a grey undertone to it. Just like that. Then with the eyeshadow that I use on the inner corner of my eyes, just to get that glitter effect, I'm just gonna dab my finger in the shadow and just dab it on my lips, like so. Cool, like it. And then for gloss, I'm gonna be using my Gloss Topper by LA Girl. And not gonna put too much because hers is not like an overwhelming gloss, so I'm trying to keep it still simple. That's that. I'm gonna quickly do my hair, get into the pot, and I'll be right back. What do you guys think? I just wish I had the necklace, would have tied everything up together, but nonetheless I still like it. I think it's still very cute, flirty, edgy. And guys, I only took like 2 eyeshadows to do this, and also you don't have to be a pro with the eyeshadow technique. Like, you just have to just pop it on and it does this. But anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys would like to see more tutorials, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.